what that happened was this was unstuck. There are 5 sections. You can see one line here, and over time the edge of the table it unstuck. So put it back together, had it clamped for about a week. You can still see some of the glue residue that was, and just released it from the clamps, and I'm scraping it off now. I'm going to sand it and then redo the top. I'm going to redo the top of this table. So I'm using a scraper. The sander, you're going to lose a lot of sanding belts if you use it on the varnish. So you use the scraper first and you get it out. That's the process there. So I'm going to do the entire thing. This works really good if it's very sharp. Start here. The angle is important. So I'm going to go all the way through. So I got most of the varnish off. Just going to sand it just to make sure it's really smooth, and then look at that mahogany. Oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. So I'm going to change the grid. I'm going to put another grid. Maybe I'll get some of these darker spots out. And yeah, this was in 5 pieces. You can't even see where it's joined. It's joined right here. It's joined right here. It's just one piece now. Yeah. When I'm done, I'll do the edges. Yeah, it's awesome stuff. Look at that. Tomorrow, I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna sand that until it's so smooth, like Tennessee whiskey. Whatever that is. Yeah, so it's beautiful mahogany. This is called, I think they call this waterfall mahogany. This is the waterfall pattern that it has. Yeah, so this was actually in 5 pieces when it came, because the joints are just glued together. It's kind of heavy, but so I took out the support underneath and it just came apart like 5 pieces of puzzle. And over the last few days I glued it, and yeah. Oh, and by the way, I built this for kids. It's a kindergarten stool, 2 stools and 2 tables. Let me show you my workshop a little bit. This is my clamp room. Clamps, 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 clamps. When last have you seen one of these? There's like 25 of them on top there. Glue, filler, grinders, everything's here. Everything's here. We got 2 lathes, fancy drill pressed. Everything's here. Dowels, nail guns, pneumatic guns, screws, nails. It's a really lovely workshop. Yeah. Everything's here. We do just about everything in this shop. And it's just a space for men, mature men, to come and just Nobody gets paid. It's all volunteer work. People bring stuff in to be repaired and we just do it. That's what we do. Cleaners, just really, really, really good stuff here. A lot of space to work on. A lot of work spaces. And this is our best saw, tabletop saw. That's the one that if you cut your finger with it, it stops instantly. Very expensive saw. Yeah. This is our tool room. Yeah, you ready? No. Bits for routers. There's everything here. Tons of sanders, electrical tools, vacuums, everything's here. I don't know where it is. Cleaners, but this is my project here for today. This. So yeah.